Assalamu Alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to apply gradient fill color to whole document in Word. Let's get started. Select the whole document, press the Ctrl A and go to the Home tab and click the drop down menu of font color and click the gradient and more gradient. Now add your custom gradient fill color. Now you can change angle or direction. I will increase the font size for better understand. Check the whole document color, gradient fill color added to whole document text. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.